Welcome back to J-Lingo. Today we'll explore the subtle differences between three kanji all read as noboru. To understand their precise usage, we'll look at the core meaning of each character and some simple mnemonic tricks to help you remember. First, we have noboru. This kanji consists of a horizontal line as a base, with a shorter line above it. You can remember it by imagining it as a staircase, leading you upwards. This simple trick explains why noboru is used for the general action of going up. It's the most common kanji for noboru, and can be used in almost any situation where something moves to a higher position. For example, wagaya wa saka o nobotta tokoro ni aru. Our house is located at the top of a slope. Another example, erebeta ga kanari no sokudo de nobotte yuku. The elevator is going up at a considerable speed. Next, let's look at noboru. Imagine the character as a person climbing with great effort, using both their hands and feet to lift something heavy. This trick helps us remember that noboru is used for climbing actions that require physical effort and determination. For example, yama ni noboru, to climb a mountain. Another example, ki ni nobottara orirarenaku natta. I climbed a tree and couldn't get down. Finally, we have noboru. You can remember this kanji by imagining a sun with an arrow pointing up, symbolizing the sun's natural ascent. This trick tells us that noboru is used for things that rise naturally, such as the sun, or for a person's status rising. For example, yama no mukou ni asahi ga noboru. The morning sun rises beyond the mountain. Another example, daijin no kurai ni noboritsuita. He ascended to the rank of minister. To summarize, remember these simple distinctions. Is for going up generally, is for climbing with effort, and is for rising naturally. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.